As CES 2013 draws to a close, we take a look at some of the overarching themes, highlights, and demos of the show.
While some claim CES has lost its luster and big-name headliners over the years, the show refuses to be deemed irrelevant. Indeed, the organising CEA body claimed 2013 was the show's largest to date, boasting some 1.92 million square feet of exhibit space, the equivalent of 37 football fields, full of technology. Over 3,250 exhibitors unveiled some 20,000 new products to 150,000 attendees. And while it's true that news from the show may not have been earth-shattering, the hardware focus still yielded some solid nuggets of innovation and a good indication of industry trends.
That's 20% thinner, 20% better weight, with full core performance, business class security, and a full HD display at 1080p.
Looking healthy again this year was the trend towards fitness monitors and sensors allowing people to take control of their medical data. These range from watches to wristbands, Bluetooth cutlery to singing toothbrushes.
Well, we're actually the creator of the singing toothbrushes. We're here sponsoring 5 different hit artists, and we have Lady Gaga, we have Psy, LMFAO, One Direction. So we've done a survey, and this increases brushing time by 73%.
We invented the Happy Fork, which is the first smart fork connected to your iPhone and to your Android phone. So this Happy Fork is going to be tracking important data. One of them is the speed you eat. So if you eat too fast, we'll have a gentle vibration to remind you to eat more slowly.
So this is the new Bluetooth 4 enabled device that tracks your physical activity both on a steps and an aerobic standpoint. So it's got an accelerometer in it. It'll tell you how far you've gone, how many calories you burn, how much aerobic activity you've had.
The ongoing shift towards mobility was also abundantly clear, with almost every PC on display boasting a transformer-like quality, able to shapeshift into a tablet or convertible at the flip or slide of a screen. Cool technologies like eye tracking, gesture control, 3D printing, curved touchscreens were all on display. And of course, plenty of robots.
But what we see is we will see that people will start with new display technologies coming out, like curved displays, but people have already announced flexible, foldable displays. With our sensor, in addition to that, we can now see complete new form factors, so you will have probably an e-reader that you can fold up and put in your pocket.
So we have an online service that is able to create 3D printed objects, and we believe that the 3D printing is a real way to create objects. It's a production technology.
But revving up to full speed this year was the automotive space, taking over a huge chunk of the show and creating the excitement only motorsports can.
This includes 4 cameras positioned on all sides of the car. So this is implemented using our SerDes technology, where a camera then receives the information, it's transmitted, serialized, and transmitted up to a processor, where it's deserialized, given to the processor, and then the processor, in this case, de-warps all the information and shows this as if somebody were sitting a few meters above the car.
It will be connected to other cars, so literally cars can talk to each other, they can warn each other of any hazards, but they can also talk to infrastructure.
So, perhaps not quite the Super Bowl of technology, but for those who live and love gadgets, CES still delivers the goods.